Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, and today we're going to break down the Racer High-Per Full Gauntlet Race Gloves. Okay, the Racer High-Per Gauntlet Gloves retail for $259.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand, we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. This is the most recent release in the race line of the Racer gloves. Start off with sizing, because that's going to be really critical with this glove. This glove runs one size smaller than marked. I wear a 2X in every common glove out there to get the fit I want. And boy, I got to tell you, it's really good. I need a 3X in these gloves. When you slide your hand in here, they're so comfortable, right out of the gate, super comfortable, almost no break-in is going to be required with these. You could go out and lap in these right now. You wouldn't even need to wear them in the truck on the way to the track. They feel that good. Very impressive, and that's one of the qualities that Racer is known for, is having the best fitting gloves on the market, and they really hit the spot, really hit that mark here with the High-Per glove. Here, you have a combination of cowhide and kangaroo in the palm, Knox palm sliders, right? Carbon protectors all over the glove. We'll go over a little bit more as I go through this review. Let's talk about the palm sliders right now. You're going to find those on any quality race glove, right? And there's different styles out there. What are they there for? Most of us, when we have a crash, instinctively we're going to want to put our hands out to brace for impact. When you do that with a standard leather palm or kangaroo palm glove and your hand comes in contact with the tarmac in a manner such as that, the glove can grab, kind of load up. It can do a couple of different things. It can really strain the seams on the glove, or it could transmit a bunch of energy into your palm, right, in your wrist area, and potentially damage your scaphoid bone. That's a pretty common injury in motorcycle road racing crashes. So for that reason, many years ago, Knox came up with a slider system for that area to help mitigate the possibilities of that injury during a crash, right? Another benefit, besides they slide very easy on the pavement, is they're also very difficult to wear through in that high impact area. It makes it virtually impossible to wear through the glove in this spot. Carbon knuckle protectors over all the knuckles. Tunnel system here for the knuckle protector. When you go ahead and wrap your hands around the bars, this just kind of opens up, right? You got a little motion panel here, so it's not pulling on the glove really at all. It feels super comfortable. Additional layer here in the pinky with some super fabric on the outside. That's a real vulnerable spot in a low side crash. You got the finger bridge. Their take on it's a little bit different. It's a little accordion style. Large impact protector here for the end of the ulna. And boy, I got to tell you, they did that in such a way that it really preserves all the dexterity in the wrist of the glove. Motion panels in the fingers and the thumb. Kangaroo palm. Additional leather overlay here in that critical impact zone. We have an overlay here in the area where your hands are going to be most frequently in contact with the bars to help increase the service life of the glove. Safety strap. Gauntlet adjuster here. Perforated panel there, perforated panel here. Some light perforation in between the fingers around the knuckle area. Super high quality glove. It is a lined glove, right? There is Kevlar. I don't know if Tom can get that or not on the inside. Can you see the yellow fabric? There is some Kevlar lining in there as well to increase abrasion and tear resistant. The real feature with this thing, I think, is the comfort right out of the bag is phenomenal. And they just feel like they have a tremendous amount of dexterity. So if one of the key benefits that you're looking for, protection aside, right, because that's already covered, is feel and dexterity, give these High-Pers a long, hard look. Max started racing in these this year, and right out of the gate just loved them. They were broken in immediately. It's now his favorite race glove, right? We have a couple other great gloves in the Racer line. Full disclosure, Racer's a brand we've been offering here at STG for a long time with a lot of success. It's a quality product. It's the best fitting gloves. It's a fair statement. People love these things. This year, the opportunity opened up to gain the distribution rights here for North America, inside the U.S. Our friend Lee was retiring, so we decided to go ahead and purchase those, and Max is running the company with a little support from Dad, and we're looking forward to being partnered up with these guys for many years to come because we love the quality of the products, right? That's the most important part, and the values of our companies really align. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section of this video. I'm always here to help you choose the right glove for your next ride.